Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, homegirl. Thank you so much for coming. Today, I'm coming to you with two wig reviews, the one that I have on, and also a daily wig. And I'll also be sharing with you guys what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of June. Let's get started. Okay, this is your girl, Marie. Marie is the Outre Complete Cap. It's a deep parting wig, and you can apply heat to her. It says it's up to 400 degrees. However, it is synthetic, so you heat at your own risk, okay? And I got her in the color DR Pink. But it also looked like it has a little brown in this one. I took her out of the bag and I put her on. And up here, she has like some little baby hairs. I'm gonna probably cut these off because I probably won't be using them. Marie sheds, so I think that would just drive me crazy. And I honestly think that this wig would be really good if it did not shed. That's the only thing that I don't like about this wig, is that it sheds. And I wish she didn't shed. Overall, I do like her. She is big head friendly. She do not have any combs in the front, but there is one in the back there. So, and it has adjustable straps. Okay? So, this is Marie. Okay, so this is Marie. Let me know if you guys like Marie. I'll be posting the link in the description box. I did purchase her off of Sam's Beauty. You guys could go over there and check her out if you would like. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the daily wig. This is by Outre also. So let's open her up. Her name is Goldie. I got her in a 1B. It's showing that you can put the part on the side. I'm gonna see how that's gonna look. But it says you can put it on the side, on the right side. It's like a right part and then a center part. And it says it has a breathable mesh cap. And it do has an elastic band on it also. And it says it's hand-tied deep lace part. So yeah, and this is the cardstock on the back. It shares with you how to take care of Goldie. This is Goldie. And this has the elastic band. And it has the combs with it also. And in the back. And this is the breathable cap that they was talking about. So let's see how breathable it is. So I did the Kimbra wig. She's a daily wig also. And she's really pretty. I like her. I really like Kimbra. And I love the color that I chose with her. I got her in a caramel. But this is Goldie. I'm going to put Goldie on and so we can see what Goldie look like. Okay? Okay. What y'all think about Goldie? Outre better come through with Goldie. Okay. Cute. Period. I went and got a silk press, boo-boo. Like, this is about to be my new favorite. Y'all remember Leonie? Yes, boo. Leonie is one of my favorites also. I had to give Leonie a rest. I'm about to wear Goldie out. Y'all gonna see Goldie in every video. You can't tell me my name is not Kimberly. Do I look interview ready? Hello, my name is Kimberly. And I'm here for the interview. Let me put my Amy voice on. You understand? You can apply heat to her, but I just wouldn't apply no heat because let me tell y'all something. She don't even need it. Okay? Y'all better go and purchase this Goldie and thank me later. Okay? Outre do not sponsor me. Okay? But I'm just letting y'all know, like, she's big head friendly. I'm getting these summertime interview vibes with this wig right here. You understand? Like, I'm about to get the job tomorrow. Come on, girl. She better be cute. She better be Let me know what you guys think about Goldie. You know what? I got a model. I have to model Goldie. You understand? Hold on. I'm gonna be right there. I'm feeling Goldie. I am feeling Goldie. And I'm feeling like wig wear. You know, that's just how I'm feeling. See, Bobo. Let's just all agree that Goldie is the one. I'm not getting nothing like I did from Marie. Like Marie do shed, but Goldie, she not giving me that shedding at all. So what you guys think? Like, do you like her? I mean, like, did I mention she is big head really? I think I probably have mentioned that, but because I'm so excited. Like, I don't even want to take her off. I want to just, you know, wear her all day, all night, sleep in her, you know, but that's just not how you take care of your wigs. I mean, like, I'm gonna put her up and secure her safely. I might put her in a lockbox, you know, so I won't mess her up. She is too cute. Like, I really do like her. I mean, you can't tell me that she's not cute. I like her a lot. So, let me know what you guys think about Goldie. This is the Outre Daily Wig. You guys, I will be leaving the link for Goldie in the description box. You guys, I'm trying to tell you, you wig lovers, go get you a Goldie. Get you a Goldie and you will thank me later. Trust me. Okay? Okay. On to the next. Boxycharm. Boxycharm. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my June box. Of course, they put the information card in the box, and it has on here all of the products that they put in the box on this card. Okay? They tell you how much it is, what the product is, what it's used for. Product number one. I have the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange eyeshadow palette. There are some really beautiful colors in here. Product number two. I got some BB cream. Product number three. Never used Tula skincare before. But this says glow and get cooling and brightening eye balm. This is what I got. This is product number 3. Product number 4. This is this QMS lip line corrector. Product number 5. They said some body scrub. And this by this company called First Aid Beauty. And let me tell you something. I was very disappointed with my box this month because they sent me all these skincare products that I probably won't even use. I don't think I need a lip line corrector. I don't know. Maybe I do. I don't know. I mean, I have to, you know, do some research on this or how to use it. I'm going to let you guys know that this QMS is a $200 product. So maybe it'll work as miracles and magic. I don't know. I never used it before. Okay. I never used the Tula skincare before. I do have some sheet masks that's in my refrigerator that I got in the previous box that I still have not used. I gotta do some research, okay? This says body scrub. This First Aid Beauty is a bump eraser. I don't know. I probably end up giving it away.
I don't know.
But I will be using the BB cream and the Touch and Soul eyeshadow palette. I will be using these two. But I'm not exactly sure about the other 3 products. But I will be using the BB cream and the eyeshadow. I'm just like not happy with my box this month. Boxycharm is not a bad company. I'm not talking bad about them. It's just some months you will be happy, some you won't be happy. And that's part of life. You know, we can't always get what we want. But I would just say I'm just not happy about my June box. Well, anyways, you guys let me know which one of these ladies was your favorite. I'm going to tell you already. Y'all already know Goldie is my favorite. Okay? Well, that's all I have for today. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video. And once again, thank you for coming.